Gusto mo bang pumasok ang 2026 na may dalang swerte at success? Narito ang 7 lucky preparations bago mag-Chinese New Year. Una, deep clean your house. Spring cleaning. Gawin ito before February 4 since ito ang unang araw where the energy shifts. Pangalawa, ihanda mo na ang inyong Feng Shui 5-element prosperity bowl. Pangatlo, ready your 5-element lucky fruits. Pang-apat, align the energy of the house before February 4 gamit ang mga Feng Shui cures at enhancers. Pang-5, ready your new wallet. Pang-6, prepare lucky dishes. Pang-7, ihanda ang red ampaw. And do not forget to set clear intentions for 2026. Tandaan mga kapakbet, ang swerte ay pinaghahandaan, hindi hinihintay lang. Sana ay may natutunan kayong bago mula sa amin. Master Michael here, simplifying Feng Shui for everyone.